Anti-aging face mask. This anti-aging face mask contains chia seeds that remove toxins from the colon when we consume them. By this toxin flushing, these seeds prevent acne, premature wrinkles, and gray hair. And they are also very beneficial when used directly on the skin. Chia seed face mask recipe. Using a coffee grinder, spice grinder, blend 2 teaspoons of chia seeds for 5-7 seconds, till you get a powder. Making a powder out of chia seeds is always better than just mixing the seeds with water. They become easier to apply and deliver more nutrients, such as omega-3 fatty acids, to your skin. Now, transfer the chia seed powder to a medium-sized bowl and add enough water. Stir the mixture until it becomes thick and gel-like. Then you can optionally add 2 drops of lavender essential oil. How to use it? Apply the mask on your clean face with your fingertips, starting from your forehead, down to your chin. Rinse off the mask thoroughly after 10 minutes, using warm water and a washcloth. Pat dry your face, and moisturize it with a pea-sized amount of coconut oil. Notes: if you feel that the mask makes your skin too dry, add 1/2 teaspoon of coconut oil to the recipe. For acne-prone skin, it may be useful to add 2 drops of tea tree essential oil, and 1 teaspoon of liquid raw honey. Chia seed benefits for skin. As an anti-aging remedy, these seeds can smooth out wrinkles and fine lines, because of the omega-3 fatty acids that nourish dry and wrinkle-prone skin. The seeds tighten and tone the skin, make it firm, control skin oils, and shrink the large pores. The same tightening and toning properties of chia seeds lift saggy skin, making it look more youthful. To make this effect even more prominent, while applying, rub the face mask in a gentle upward direction on your cheeks.